Huh?
I think I just yawned bigger than you, Cleo. No way, Theo. My yawn was bigger.
Ladies, gentlemen, and kittens, we're beginning our descent and we'll be landing soon.
Remember, kittens, it's like a bird gently landing on a branch.
Goodbye, Purringtons. I hope to see you on another adventure.
Thank you, Mrs. Wingtee.